So, looking at the future, down the line, what's going to happen with big data? I think you're going to see things like real-time streaming analytics is going to be a big thing, because again, that's compressing and shortening the time to get meaningful answers. For our A/B testing, if we can get real-time indicators on how those tests are going, wow, that's even better than waiting a day for the turnaround.
Everybody's definition of real time is a little bit different because it basically means faster. And faster is important. The other thing that I think is really starting to take hold right now, and it's a topic that people have talked about for a long time, but when you actually look at who's doing it, the number's rather small, is predictive. And Nate Silver talked a lot about predictive modeling and the need to think more stochastically as opposed to deterministically, and build models of what's going to happen. And obviously any future model isn't perfect. When you talk to customers and you say, are you actually doing predictive analytics? The vast majority of them still say, no, not really. Maybe they're building some, like if I change my price, I expect my sale to go. Fairly simple stuff.
There's this thing called the Internet of Things, which is basically every device out there is now going to be connected to the Internet. Those are all going to be reporting back, and that's a huge amount of data. For example, like jet engines on aircraft, those report thousands and thousands of data points per second. Those all go back to the engine manufacturer, and they run analytics on that, and predictive analytics is really the game going forward, because they can start to predict when there's going to be an engine failure. Okay, the jet engine is one of the most reliable devices of the past century, and it takes people all over the world. But it is a mechanical device. It will have failures, and big data is going to help make sure that those things are fixed up before they fail. And that applies to every other type of device out there.